Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though under the Malam Buhari regime, free will is now a thing of the past in the Nigerian firmament, with even the great and the good no longer able to exercise their fundamental human right. I say the great and the good. I'm not so sure how great and good they are, but even the powerful are not now able to exercise their fundamental human right. So guys, I bring you this. Federal High Court declares the defection of Saraki, Dogara, 51 others in the National Assembly to other political parties as unlawful. So the defection of Saraki and company to the PDP has been declared as unlawful. So here's the body of the story. The Federal High Court has declared as unlawful the defection of 53 lawmakers in the National Assembly to other political parties. Delivering the judgment today, Justice Okon Abang held that based on the judgment of the Supreme Court, which gave reasons that would allow for defection, the lawmakers did not meet that requirement. The judgment followed a suit filed by the Legal Defense Assistant Project, LEDAP, challenging the defection of the Senate President Dr. Bukola Saraki, the Speaker of the House of Representatives Yakubu Dogara, and 51 other lawmakers and Senator Godswill Akpabio. LEDAP had asked the court to order the lawmakers to vacate their seats in the National Assembly and return all salaries and allowances earned since their defection, arguing that the lawmakers defected from their political parties for selfish reasons other than division in their parties as prescribed by law. But in the case of Senator Godswill Akpabio, Justice Abang held that he did not violate the law because he neither decamped nor defected to the All Progressive Congress APC with the facts before the court. The court had on Monday granted leave to the senator to file an application challenging the suit by LEDAP, saying that there is no evidence before it that he was personally served, since the suit is not a class act against the Senate. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So you're right now to choose your political affiliation or how you want to play your politics within the Nigerian space is now no longer a fundamental right that is personal to your being. It is at the behest of the court and Buhari. So what they are now saying is a Supreme Court judgment that actually held this as true, that you do have that fundamental right to change your political alignment, is now no longer valid under this Buhari dispensation. But the funniest part of it is the one that crossed over to APC, they say he's alright. Akpabio is alright because he crossed over to APC and the suit doesn't apply to him because he wasn't personally served. But all the ones that defected to the defected rather from the APC, no, they are illegal, they are criminals, and they have to give up all, they have to give back rather all the monies that they've earned since they left the APC till date. So that is now the judgment according to Buhari's High Court in the Federal Capital Territory in Abuja, and this is now the goings on. So it is just now getting just beyond. It is unsophisticated the way these people do it. It's just crude. It's like taking a sledgehammer to an insect effectively to kill it, something that you can just flick, you know. So it's just crass the way these people are. So now what says you? Fundamental human rights, the Nigerian Senate, and the way Buhari runs the Nigerian state. These are all the topics that we're discussing in this video. So come have your say in the comment section. But before you come have that say in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button that so that it turns gray, and then click on the bell button as well. That way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of this new thrust of the Nigerian courts. So I'll leave you here. I'll meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.